Broiler farming is not just about raising chickens, it's about dedication, patience, and smart management. Success in this business requires consistency, learning, and resilience. I started small and I'm dreaming big. Every big poultry farmer started with just a few birds. Don't be discouraged by a small beginning. Focus on growing step by step. Learn and adapt. Farming is a continuous learning process, that is, we learn on a daily basis. Keep improving your feeding, hygiene, and management skills. The more you learn, the better your results. Hard work pays off. Early morning, late nights, and constant monitoring may seem too thrilling, but in the end, your efforts will bring great reward. Healthy breeds lead to higher profits. Invest in good feeds, proper vaccination, and a clean environment. Your future will thank you. Small improvements in feeding, lighting, and biosecurity can make a huge difference. Pay attention to every aspect of your farm. Stay positive and keep moving forward. The road may not always be smooth, but every setback is a lesson. Keep your vision clear, stay determined, and success will flow. Patience and perseverance. Challenges will surely come, such as diseases, outbreak, market fluctuations, and unexpected losses. But remember, no great farmer became successful overnight. You just have to keep going. Broiler farming is a journey of growth and opportunity. Stay focused, keep working hard, and one day your farm will be a thriving success. Only voice of Gabian Farms.